I love leadership because I think it's a really important skill. I think it's one that not everyone can master, but it's necessary for all organizations. It's one thing to have people who are passionate and able to deliver services, on the front line, but they also need someone who has the skills and vision and ability to take the organization forward and to really galvanize those people who are providing that service on the front line. So I'm really excited about Bloom because it's so much different than other professional development workshops that you go to. As a professional, you go to these things all the time where you have an opportunity, to hear a ton of information. You might hear from some good speakers, meet a few new faces, but Bloom is so different because you actually get to come together with people who are passionate about what you're passionate about, who are equally passionate about inclusion, and they can have that opportunity right there at the seminar to reflect on inclusion, to collaborate with one another, and to begin innovating and implementing change for their organization. So it's unlike any other seminar that I've been to, and I think that the topic is so important as well. I think that there is a definite relationship between leadership and inclusion. If the leaders are responsible for guiding an organization forward, you cannot do that without considering everyone's role in the organization. Everyone has to be included in the dialogue. Everyone has to have a seat at the table, and it takes a leader with that ability to be able to recognize the importance of it and also know how to properly leverage inclusion in their organization. The important thing is that when you're there, you're actually working on your strategic goals for your organization. So oftentimes we do come to workshops and we get information, but it may not be specific to what our organization needs. In this case at Bloom, professionals will be able to come together. They'll bring their own ideas and things that they've already been working on and be able to collaborate with other people and walk away with actionable items that they can take back to their specific organization. So they're actually working toward their company's own bottom line while they're at Bloom. I currently am a program director for Leadership Greensboro. It's a leadership development program at the Greensboro Chamber of Commerce. And I've always been really passionate about the leadership skill. I think it's not something that you just have necessarily, it's something that you always have to work toward. I've seen the value and the impact of great leadership skills, and I've seen how it impacts an organization's culture and bottom line when the leadership skills are not where they need to be. So every day as I'm working in my role, I keep that in the forefront of my mind, and I bring that to my strategic planning for my role. Hi, my name is Niketa Greene. I'm a leadership expert, and I'm on the advisory team for Bloom Inclusion Seminar.